If your skin retouching looks fake or plastic, this video will fix that. Hey, I'm Saba from Saba's Photo Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to retouch skin in Photoshop naturally, without losing texture. Step 1. First, I duplicate my background layer with Ctrl J or Command J on Mac. I use spot healing brush to remove small pimples and distractions. I don't touch skin texture, only temporary imperfections. Step 2. Instead of blurring skin, I focus on evening out tones. I use soft brush with low opacity and gently paint over dark or red areas. This keeps pores and textures natural. Step 3. Dodge and burn is the key to natural retouching. I lightly brighten dark areas, darken highlights to create depth. I keep my brush opacity very low, around 3 to 5%. Step 4. Now I check skin color, make very small adjustment by using color balance. Less is always more when it comes to skin tones. Step 5. Final touches. I sharpen only the eyes and important details. You can see before and the after. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials, and comment if you want a full retouching breakdown.